Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we got the port at the bottom, and now what are we going to do is we're going to clean it with a non-metallic tool such as soft brush, air compressor, and etc. Something that can get inside. And of course, what we're going to do next is we're going to test the mic in a voice recorder wrap. So let's open up the system apps folder, or just open up the recorder wrap. Here we will have everything, and of course we want to allow the access, start recording. And as you guys can see, whenever the lights are moving, then I'm talking, and when they go static, that means I'm silent. So I know for a fact that it works. Now we can stop this video, and we know that our microphone is okay. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you simply going and restarting it. So press and hold the power button and tap on restart, and tap again to restart the device. Now, of course, if you have a fingerprint sensor, then you will have to confirm it. But now, since it's confirmed, it's turning back on. So I'll see you guys in a second once it is done. After the restart, what we're going to do as a last resort is go over into settings and make sure that we have the latest version of the software. So go over here, now click check for updates, and as you guys can see, it is checking for updates. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.